descriptive period kung kailan tayo magsasubmit ng documentary requirements to explain the distribution of welfare goods. This is almost 65 million, Madam Chair. And yet this is not properly liquidated. Nonetheless, Madam Chair, let me proceed to the second concern, the lapses in inventory management. We understand that the OVP likewise launched Kalusugan Food Truck. This is a six-wheeler truck which serves as a mobile kitchen in response to calamities. However, Madam Chair, upon reading of the report of the COA, there are three significant observations. Can we please flash the third slide? One, the food items are near expiry. Two, foods are not found in the storage. And three, they are placed in unventilated storage.